March. Masahin niyo mga mark, ano, pinaforward ko.
Ito mo daw, Alvin. Magitin mo na lang. Pep talk mo na lang, Alvin.
Ay, kasi kapag ano yan, perpe na naman. Ayan, from organic, all on-site customer receiving device repair at the designated sub-presenter are entitled to experience the care and these services, which included screen device cleaning, reading,
Ganun na tayo lahat yan.
leisure, and
Kasi snacks, wala tayo snacks eh.
books and games,
Same
enthusiastic and proactive service.
Saan yung games? Saan yung ano, snacks?
Wala tayong ano eh. The client is required to follow the steps outlined below to obtain a token from service center. Photo or video of the service center attentive service. Provide a caption describing your attentive service experience at service center. The post must be published on client's personal Facebook account and set to public visibility.
Kung ayaw ng client, ano magagawa sila?
Caption post must indicated the required hashtag OPPOCares and tag Oppo official Facebook.
Pero pag ayaw ng client, ipabalik pa ba, Bin?
Sabi na redemption method. The client must present their attentive service related post to the staff at the selected service center in order to receive a corresponding token.
Anong token? Payong.
Redemption price will be available every 28 and 30 of each month from September to December 2025.
Hmm? Wala tabi, wala ng physical ano. Basa yun, ano, Ben?
Ano mo kasi sir? Kasi mga nabubuhan ako dito sa mga putang ina. Nabubuhan ako talaga sa inyo. Dahil naman sa list namin ito, sir.